What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're at Walmart where we're going to be spending $50 on gear to try to go camp in the woods for 24 hours.
We have a rudimentary list, but
we forgot the list at home.
We did forget the list at home, but we kind of know what we're looking for, and we're going to be trying to be as cheap as we possibly can with our food, our sleeping mats. We're not even using sleeping bags, so we're probably going to look for blankets. And then we're going to head into the woods and hopefully last 24 hours. First stop, the camping section. Twin air mattress, $7.97.
And somehow we're both gonna fit on it.
So we were looking to get two tarps, one 6x8 and one 8x10. The 8x10 will droop over and then we'll be sleeping on top of this one. So is this full bedding set actually $8? Because this is better than any sleeping bag you'll find for this price.
This is plush.
There we go. Bedding covered. All of these are 88 cents, so we're undecided.
Big,
Scissors.
medium, small,
Yes.
scissors. I like the big one.
Alright, the big one it is.
Alright, awesome.
To get cheaper twine and hardware items, we get out of the camping aisle.
Camping gear is expensive.
It's all overpriced.
For $127, we get 150 feet of twine. Pick up short or something?
Yes. Look at that. 90 cents for the good tasting water. Look at that.
Oh my god. The power of plants.
I don't know about that.
Where are the hot dog buns? Aha. 88 cents.
8.2, 9.8.
We're getting the bigger one?
There we are. Something to make those hot dogs taste good.
Organic mustard. I am organic with veggie corn dogs.
Now we've got to balance out our diet.
What do you
So we're thinking blueberry biscuits.
Where do you see blueberry biscuits? That sounds good. Standard. Hey, yeah.
Great value potato chips.
$1.47.
That is a balanced meal. Now we've got some money left over, so I'm looking for a pillow because I definitely need one when sleeping. I usually make them out of clothes or leaves or whatever I've got. I even slept on a water bottle once. There we go.
This is for you.
That is for me.
Luxury.
Last but not least, fire. Brings us to a total of $48.20. Let's see what the cash register says. $48.92. That's how it's done. Ugh. I gotta do my dad grunt.
We're back.
We're back, and we are $50 poor.
Is it a dad grunt if you're not a dad?
Yes, it is dad grunt.
Okay. $50 poor. We're $50 richer. We got a whole mattress set.
And now we gotta find where we're camping. We've been driving around in the woods for, what, about an hour?
Yeah, because you wanted to find a river.
Well, we didn't find a river, but
well,
we did
found
find
a river, but you didn't like the campsite.
You didn't like the campsite.
It was bad.
It was, yeah, okay. She didn't like the campsite. But good news, we think that there's a few little game trails here in this part of the rainforest that are a lot more promising, so
we're gonna go explore.
We're gonna go explore. Well, we've looked around and we think that this right here is a good spot to build our little our little Walmart shelter. So the plan is, it might suck. The plan is to suspend our twine from this tree over to that tree, and we'll drape the tarp over it, and we'll have another tarp to lay on at the bottom. We'll inflate our mattress and hopefully survive the night.
We'll inflate our mattress using our mouths.
Yes. So we couldn't afford with our $50 budget to get one of the battery powered pumps, not because the pumps are inexpensive or are expensive, but because the D batteries are insane. I mean, no one buys them anymore. And so we decided that
We can do it
using
ourselves.
the power of our lungs at sea level, we could probably inflate the mattress.
He picked a spot that has a giant pricker bush right in the middle of it. This is gonna be fun.
Rose already cleared out all the little twigs that were on the ground.
I did the hard part. Just
Now-
kidding. Ooh, a knife.
Yeah. Probably our most valuable purchase.
88 cents.
So I'm only
I
gonna
love
tie
that they do this. The zip tie on the knife, in which you need something sharp to open the
Well,
zip
we're
tie.
gonna figure that out somehow. I'll tie this just to one side first, so we can get the tension right.
This is what we're doing. Slider work. Oh, safeties are horrible. Okay. Haha! Look at that. Look at that skill. I'm genius.
There's this creepy noise happening in the distance, and it just gets faster and faster and faster, like a big ball being bounced, or like the end of a ping pong ball or something.
It's kind of creepy.
And it just echoes down the valley.
I mean, it's not nearby, I don't think.
Steaks are overrated.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you.
How many more do you need?
2 more would be perfect. I'm putting in the last steak. I might move this one over a bit.
All right. This is the beginnings of a home right here. Look at that.
Oh, there's plenty of room in there.
You know what comes next?
Well, the next tarp, and then the air mattress.
Yeah. Who's excited?
I'm excited. Alright, let's butcher this right here. World's cheapest air mattress.
$8.
Don't know if that's true, but I know it's true.
Oh, it's so small.
You can survive.
Look at it.
Alright, so that is not exactly a valve that's easy to blow air into. Look at that.
I didn't say it was gonna be
I have to
easy.
French kiss this thing. Want to try it?
I'm lightheaded.
Yeah.
Do like 10 more. Alright, well, while he's busy getting really lightheaded from blowing up this air mattress, I am gonna go look for firewood.
I think it'll
How you
work.
doing over there?
Oh. A little lightheaded.
Take a break.
That's mostly done. Basically done. Just a few more puffs.
Do you want me to help?
Just like 3 more puffs. It'll be done. I got it.
Alright. Back to firewood. This is very wet.
World's cheapest bedding. I'm gonna give it a shot.
$8.
$8.
Still on this.
Yes. All right. Another unboxing video. Got a mattress cover. Look at that.
We're living in luxury.
This is the right way to do a $50 Walmart challenge. I am by no means an expert on making beds.
Because you don't make yours.
That was what I was insinuating. But I think I can figure this out. Why use sleeping bags when you're camping?
What?
When you can just have a bed like you have at home. For $8. Remind me why that's a bad idea.
It is a wonderful idea.
Our bed has been made. Things are looking pretty good. I mean, check out this adorable little campsite we've created. Got Rosa getting our firewood. We've got our little tent. Hopefully we'll come up with some kind of way to shelter ourselves through these gaping holes on the outside, but
That's not great.
I guess that's my task for the rest of our daylight hours. To keep our tarp in place, I'm gonna split a stick and tie it with a little bit of twine. Use it as a rudimentary clothespin. There you go. You got yourself a little clothespin. Let me show you. And there you go. A little clothespin. I'll make one on the other side. And then hopefully this won't slide at all. Looks pretty good. Those beautiful fire rings you see on Instagram come with a little bit of labor. So I'm just interlocking these branches in this little weave here, which will give it structure and places to put moss. Well, let's see how this looks. Attached. Oh man, that got a lot heavier.
Are you proud of your door?
Well, glad that we got something. Well, it's gotten pretty dark, but we finished that wall. Here's what it looks like from the inside. It's not perfect, but I mean, none of this is perfect, right? It's a $50 Walmart challenge.
I think we did great.
I think so too. I'm gonna lift this up so you can put some light in the middle.
Haha.
It's been tough lighting this wood, but we've managed. I'm gonna whittle this stick with our knife here into a little sharpened point to roast my hot dog.
Your one hot dog? How many you have?
No, more than one, that's for sure. I mean, it'll taste pretty good. I'm kind of excited.
Well, I might eat some. I'm excited.
She was telling me about how, as a vegetarian, would you say you learn how to really enjoy just the bare basics like bread and cheese in life?
Well, yeah, because I'd go to a lot of barbecues and they wouldn't obviously have vegetarian options, so I would eat like buns and mustard and relish and
Sadness.
things like that, which to some people apparently is sadness. I was quite happy.
Roasting my last little hot dog here. Then we'll get ready for bed. To clean all the ash off our bedding, but I'm not cold, so hopefully we stay cozy. There we go. Another hot dog down the hatch.
Ooh,
How does that feel?
comfy.
We inflated that with our mouths.
You know,
Man, it's dark out here.
that's what happens when it's night.
That's what I
It's
said
dark.
to you earlier, huh?
Giving
Dare
you
you use my own spells against me?
I, the half-blood prince. Ow!
You're supposed to sleep on this thing?
It is an air mattress. They're considered comfortable by many.
Oh, never mind. I'm gonna sleep just fine. This is great.
Is this kind of comfy though?
Oh, yeah. How'd you sleep?
There were bugs.
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs.
I woke up to a spider.
Woke up a few times, but we made it through the night. And it's a decent amount of bugs you gotta take care of inside here. Something came out of that. Check the other. We've got all our wood from yesterday.
Which looks very dry, I will say that.
Yeah, no, I mean, if it did rain, I think it might. I'm pretty sure I heard rain, but
Feels
it's
dry.
definitely. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, there's just so much satisfaction when you're sleeping in something like that, and you finally wake up and it's light outside, and you're like, okay, good, I made it. It's the next day.
The worst is when you wake up and you check your phone, it's like 2 a.m. and you're like, I got like 4 hours left.
It's less wet than yesterday.
Well, it had the night to dry off.
Yeah.
It was hot.
Is it good? Some beautiful magic right there. These gonna be our last ones?
Literally because I just don't feel like I want to make another one. It's such a process.
It is a process, yes.
Just crisping my last one up. I like it crispy.
Well, that was successful. If I do say so myself, what'd you think?
As successful as you can be with $50.
But now it's the boring part, right? The worst
Packing
part.
up.
We'll start with taking down that.
Your clothespins.
Yeah, my little clothespins. Remember these guys? Well, I honestly think that just as far as the $50 challenge goes, it's more than doable. It's pretty comfortable.
Well, it's not a challenge then.
If you only want to spend $50 on your camping equipment, go to Walmart, get what we got, or even less, and you'll probably be just fine.
Except there's no guarantee they're gonna have that ridiculous mattress comforter sale again.
What would you change? What else would you add that we didn't bring?
Lemonade.
Yeah, I mean, maybe better food.
Maybe another tarp or something to drape over one end.
Yeah, some kind of door.
Yeah, some kind of door.
Just feel safer and have less bugs coming in, or a big mosquito net or something.
That is a better idea.
Bring a mosquito net.
Bring a mosquito net. A cheap one.
A $1 one from Walmart.
Or just mesh or something.
If you like this video and you want to follow us on YouTube and see all of our other adventures, please subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the notification bell so you actually see the things we post, as opposed to subscribing where there's like a 1 in 5 chance.
You really just don't believe in this whole subscribing thing.
Because I'm subscribed to 100 channels, and I see none of their videos.
Point.
So yeah, hit the notification bell, maybe watch the video a few times all the way through.
And we'll see you next week.
And we'll see you next week.